Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this summer glam makeup look. And yeah, so I hope you guys like it and let's get started. So I already have my eyebrows done. I'm going to be using the NYX Angel Veil Primer and I'm just going to apply this all over my face and I'm going to use my hands. The palette that I'm going to be using for the eyes today is the Nars Wanted Eyeshadow Palette. The palette is so pretty. This is what it looks like. This is the palette. It's so gorgeous. My favorite shade is this one down here. I'm going to start out by applying some concealer as a base all over my lids. I'm going to go into this shade over here and apply that to the crease. Next, I'm applying the brown shade right next to it and also adding that into the crease. I'm really blending that in. Even drag it out just a little bit, which will help to make the look a little bit more dramatic at the end. So next I'm going to go into this super dark shade very, very lightly and apply that into my crease. And you really want to do that gradually because you don't want to have your eyeshadow become too heavy and too dark that we lose this nice transition with the brown shades. So just take your time and go back and forth with it and add it very slowly. For any shade that you're ever applying that is a really heavy shade and you're scared that it's going to come on too heavy, make sure you're using more of a fluffier brush, so like a blending brush, over a really dense brush like this one or something that's super dense, and you're going to get a heavier application and you won't be able to, it'll just be harder to make your eyeshadow transition a little bit nicer. Using a blending brush will give you more of a softer look. Now I'm just taking a white eyeshadow base, this one's from NYX, and a concealer brush, and I'm just going to cut my crease with this. I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go into this reddish shade right there and apply this to my lids. I'm especially applying this on the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to use a sponge brush and I'm going to this shade right here, which is like a really super red shade, and just apply that over the red that we already have applied. This is just going to help enhance that red shade a little bit more. I'm going to go into this shade over here and apply that to the center of my lids. I also just added some of this shade here and added it around that other shade to help to transition the two. I applied it here as well. Now I'm going to apply my Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation. Now I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now I'm using the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, and I'm going to bake my face with this. fluffy brush and I'm going to dust all this powder off. For blush, I'm using this gorgeous blush from Estee Lauder. Now I'm using a Felt Tip Liner and I'm going to just create my wing. I was using the NYC eyeliner, by the way. I don't know if I said that. I'm going to apply my Ardell Wispies. For the eyes, I'm going to use that light brown shade again, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. And then I'm using the red shade, and I'm going to apply that more towards the center of my lower lash line. Then I'm using the darker shade and applying that to the outer corner of my lower lash line. The shimmery shade right here, that's kind of a red tone, and applying that just to the very center of my eye on the bottom. I'm using this color up here, and I'm going to apply that to my inner corner. So I just applied this shade to my brow bone. I'm going to apply this highlighting color to my inner corners. Now I'm using the Tarteist Mascara, and I'm going to apply that. Now I'm using this NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. This is the gold one. It's in the shade Crystal Silk. Apply this just underneath the line or the edge of the wing. I really like this because it's super subtle, but it still like adds something if somebody looks at it from the side. Adding it to the inner corners of my eyes, just sort of outlining my inner corner with it. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and this one is the Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal one. I'm just going to mix the two shades and apply them for my highlight. Now I'm going to be lining my lips with this Maybelline lip liner in the shade Taura, I think. It's this one. Then I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Malibu. I'm going to finish this by applying some MAC Fix Plus. So this is the finished look. Has this little speck of gold glitter, and I really like it because I think it adds something super subtle, but it's kind of nice. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. This palette is amazing. This palette is super pigmented. I really like this palette. This is, I think, one of the first Nars products I've ever really used. So I really like this. I'm gonna have to try out more of their stuff. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. Be sure to go check out my last video and my vlog channel. And you guys can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, which will all be linked down below in the description, along with all of the products that I used in today's video. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!